I'm what you call a credit card enthusiast. I have 11 credit cards, and today we will find out which one is the best and why. Hi guys, Alex here. This is the Financial Pickle, and today another video in our series of credit card reviews. A quick note, I am not sponsored by anyone except myself to film this video, so this is my pure opinion. I love the product that I'm about to share with you, and I think it is the best credit card you can imagine. So let's dig in. Let's establish a quick background. I have 11 credit cards, 3 of which are American Express, including a sneaky charge card. I have Vanquis, CapitalOne, Barclaycard, Tesco, Tymit, Virgin Money, Zopa, and Aqua. That's the one. Not all credit cards are the same. There are best credit cards for different applications. Today we're looking at the best credit card for large purchases. And when I say large, I mean anything between $150 and say $5,000. In this category, there's only one best credit card that you can ever think of, and that is Timyt Credit Card. And here's why. Timyt's success lies on 2 pillars. Number 1, ease of use and the simplicity of their interface. And number 2, very generous and very transparent fee structure. There's actually another pillar, which is the like button underneath this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you like what you see, and give me some feedback. I would love to know what is your favorite credit card. And now to the juicy stuff. So let's have a look at a quick example. Say I want to spend £237 on something, and I want to figure out which is the best card to use. So I'll go into Timyt and I enter the £237 I want to spend, and then I can check how much it's going to cost me to use the card and split the payments over 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 24, and even 36 months. We enter the details, and now we see that at 3 months it costs us absolutely nothing. 0 fees, no interest. At 6 months we can see that it's only cost us $198 per month to split the amount over 6 months and repay it. And then, even if we go down to 36 months, it shows us exactly how much money, how much interest we're going to pay over this full period, how much we're going to pay in total, and how much is our monthly payment, which is very easy and simple to calculate for any amount that you want to borrow. Also in the app, you can jump into the card section and see your card number, your expiry date, your security code, your PIN number, and you can copy these numbers by just either tapping on them or tapping the button to copy the number. Out of 11 cards that I have, this one is the only one that allows me to do that, which is pretty great. And when it comes to ease of use, I can clearly see how much I have to pay each month. I'm actually spreading the cost over. So I'm only spreading over 3 months because I don't want to pay any interest. And you can see that in February I'll pay £110, in March I'll pay £110, and in April I pay nothing. And if you look at my transaction list, for example, this one at £237, I paid on the 13th of November. My last payment is due on the 7th of February. That is almost 4 months that I have been using Timyt's money without paying any interest, which is absolutely amazing. So what does Timyt has to do with Klarna? Well, Klarna allows you to split any payment up to, I believe, £2,000 into 3 installments, which is great, but the problem is you have to pay a third straight away. So basically you're not really splitting it over 3 months. You still have to pay a third right now, and then you're borrowing the remaining amount, which is, I don't think, is quite fair. When it comes to Timyt, first of all, you can use it anywhere they accept cards. You can withdraw cash, you can go and buy something from eBay, transfer the money through PayPal, pay anywhere for anything, and can split the payment into 3 months without any additional fees. And you can actually, if you do it smartly, you can split it almost into 90 days, which is 4 months. So it's definitely much better than Klarna. And you don't have to make that initial payment straight away when you do the purchase. But Timyt doesn't stop there. You also get no exchange fees, which is great. You can use this card anywhere abroad and you will get the direct exchange rate from MasterCard without any additional fees, interest, or any of that bullshit, which is absolutely amazing and makes it a perfect card for going on vacation somewhere where, you know, if you go into a restaurant and you spend like €200 or $200, you can be sure you won't be charged any excessive or any additional fees for exchange rates. Another thing about ignoring exchange fees, there is actually a hack on how you can use your credit card abroad or spend it in any currency you want without any additional charges from your credit card company. If you want to find out how, subscribe to this channel because this video will come out in the next couple of weeks, which is super exciting. Yeah. Another fantastic thing about Timyt is the ATM withdrawals. You can withdraw up to £200 per month without any fees, which is great. And you can split this payment over 3-month period without any additional cost to you, without any interest, which is absolutely mind-blowing. Any usual credit card will charge you up to 5% per transaction to either use it abroad or withdraw cash. Here you can go to an ATM and withdraw 200 of the local currency without any exchange fees, without an ATM fee, and you can split it over a 3-month period, which I think is the best card you can imagine. And if Timyt sounds interesting, there is a link in the description below where you can sign up. And if you sign up, you will get £15 of credit on your card, which is great. And I will get £15, which is also great. So thank you very much if you did, and hopefully you will enjoy your £15. That has been it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel and write me a comment. I would love to know your feedback. What do you think about Timyt card, or what credit card you think is the best one that you have? So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right. Everything I touch turn cold. Need no introduction 'cause they know.